Good morning, class. I hope you all are fine in health. Since you all were so busy answering your exams, learning, writing, memorizing the answers, right? So you didn't get any time to listen to new stories, right? So let us get entertained. Let's hear a story. It is about the horse, and the name of the horse is Badal. So I hope you all like horses. Yes. So let me show you Badal here. Here is Badal with the cart. Badal is pulling the cart. Why he is pulling the cart? And what is there in the cart? Just tell me what is there in the cart? Yes, we can see so many vegetables and fruits over there, right? So, why Badal is pulling the cart? Why there are vegetables in the cart? So all these answers we'll get after reading the story. So let's get started with the story. Badal the horse. It is chapter number 4 in your literature book. So Badal was an old horse who pulled a cart of vegetables around the town. So Badal was an old horse means Badal was aged. He was an old horse and he was pulling a cart of vegetables around the town. Around the town means everywhere in the town. He was going here and there with the cart full of vegetables. Badal knew the way as well as his master Jaggu. So the name of the master of Badal is Jaggu, and they both were well versed with the ways of the town. Okay, they knew every street, every nook and corner of the town where they used to go and sell the vegetables. Every day in the town, everybody in the town knew Badal and everybody liked him. So he was people's favorite. Badal was people's favorite. Everybody in the town used to like him. Okay, and they knew him. Everybody knew about Badal. People would come out of their houses to pet him. To pet him means to appreciate him. When you say somebody very good, keep it up, well done, this means you are petting the person, means you are appreciating that person. So people used to come out of their houses to pet Badal. One summer morning, Badal and his master set out for their rounds. So we are talking about the summer season, and one summer morning they both were set for their rounds means they were ready to move with the cart full of vegetables. They were going to sell the vegetables around the town. Suddenly Jagu's head started aching. Suddenly means at once. Okay, at once Jagu's head started aching means there was pain in Jagu's head. He decided to go back home. So he wanted to go back home since he was not feeling well. Come, Badal, let's go back, he said. He also wanted Badal to get back with him. Jagu tried to turn the horse around. So he was trying to turn Badal around, and he wanted to take him back to house. Badal did not turn back, but he never wanted to go back home. He trotted on. Trotted means to move at high speed. Speed means the speed which is more than a walk. Okay, the when you walk little faster, okay, that is trotting. So he's trotted on. He knew that the day's work was not over yet. Since he was every day going with Jagu, so Badal was fully aware that the work is not over, then why we are going back. Jagu's headache was so bad that he decided to leave Badal and go home. Since his head was paining too much, so he wanted to leave Badal over there and he wanted to go home. Jagu went home and Badal went on. So Jagu went back home and Badal went to sell the vegetables. Badal stopped at those houses where people bought vegetables every day. So he was aware of all those houses where people used to buy the vegetables. So he stopped at every house. If nobody came out, Badal stamped a foot and whined. Okay, so he was not able to go and ring the doorbell, so he stamped his foot. Means he was making some sound with his foot. Stamping means to tap your feet. Okay, tap your foot with the noise on the floor. Okay, so he stamped his foot and whined. Whined means to neigh, means to make sound with the mouth. to make some sound with the mouth. People opened their doors to see what was happening. So people, they every day Jagu and Badal used to come together, but since today only Badal was there and he was making some different sort of noise outside their house, so people were a bit surprised. They opened their doors and they wanted to see what was happening. People saw that Badal was alone. They saw that Jagu is not accompanying Badal today. Badal is all alone. They took the vegetables they wanted and put the money in the money box. So people put the money in the money box and they bought the vegetables. After Badal had been to every house, he returned home. So when he went to every house, he returned back home. Jagu was feeling better now. By the time Badal reached home, Jagu was feeling bit better. He came out to meet Badal. So he came out to meet Badal. He was very happy when he saw the box of money. So since he was not expecting any money that day because he was not well and he was not able to sell the vegetables, so he thought today they will not get any money. But he was happy when he saw money in the box. Jagu gave Badal a bunch of carrots as a reward. Reward means prize. Okay, bunch means group of something. When there are many there's a group of something, like 5-6 carrots make a group and that group is called bunch. Okay, so Jagu gave Badal a big bunch of carrots as a reward. Since he was very happy with the work of Badal, so he gave him a prize, and the prize was a big bunch of carrots. Isn't the story was interesting, children? Yes, story was quite interesting. Go through the story and try to understand the meanings of all the difficult words. Thank you.